Welcome to the step-by-step guide to BMO US account. This tutorial will walk you through the process of opening and managing a BMO US account. To start, you need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a resident of the United States and having a social security number. You will also need to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. Once you have all the required documents, you can visit the BMO website to apply for an account. You will need to fill out an online application form, which includes providing your personal and financial information. After submitting the application, you will receive an email with instructions on how to fund your account. You can fund your account by transferring money from an existing U.S. bank account or by mailing a check. Once your account is funded, you can start using it to make purchases, pay bills, and transfer money. It is also important to set up your account security, which includes creating a username and password, and setting up two-factor authentication. You should also set up account alerts, which will notify you of any suspicious activity on your account. In addition to the online platform, you can also use the BMO mobile app to manage your account on the go. The app allows you to check your account balance, transfer money, and pay bills. It is also a good idea to take advantage of the account management tools, which include budgeting and tracking your spending. By following these steps, you can easily open and manage a BMO US account and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. Remember to always keep your account information secure and to monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any potential issues. By doing so, you can enjoy a safe and convenient banking experience with BMO.